In this video, I want to show you how you can connect it. So what you have to do, you want to open Claude and you want to navigate to your settings. Here you want to go to connectors, browse connectors, and simply search for Airtable. And here you can see Airtable, we can add it by this button. And this is going to redirect you to this Airtable page where you want to allow access. Before authorizing, you want to add base, which you want to allow. So if I click on add base, I can click on this base. This is only my only one. I can click on grant access, and now it has access to my base. So now we can click on configure next to Airtable, and here you can configure basically all of your permissions. So you can keep it on needs approval. This is the safest way. And then when Claude is going to ask for the permission, you can allow it for the specific task only or always. It's on you. So you can see we can create, for example, bases, fields, comments. We can search bases, search records. So if you want to test it, you want to go to new chat. I created this really simple prompt where I want from Claude to read all of my tables in Airtable. We want to create some summary of them. So I'm going to send this. And it's going to ask us for the permission to use the MCP tool. So as I said, you can use always allow or allow once for the task. Now, as you can see, we can see all of our tables which I have. So I have some marketing agencies Vienna table. We have top 5 highlights of it, and you can see some summary of it. So I can check my Airtable if this is true, and here we go. So this is my marketing agencies, and this is the top 5 highlights. So this was just a quick example. Of course, you can use it for updating records, filtering data, or generating structured entry. So that's all. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.